Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and basic connectivity. Plug the laptop in and make sure the router is powered with steady LEDs. Next, open the network menu on your laptop and locate available SSIDs. You need the correct SSID and password ready. Once done, toggle the laptop's Wi-Fi on if it's off. Use the keyboard Wi-Fi key or system icon. While connecting, note any system messages. They tell you if authentication failed or if you need to choose a security type. You now select the correct SSID and enter the password, choosing WPA2 or WPA3 when offered for security. If the laptop claims connected but no internet, open network settings and confirm IP4 is set to DHCP so the router assigns an IP automatically. Change only if you must use a static address. Once configured, test a web page. If the page fails, run the built-in troubleshooter or disable, and re-enable the wireless adapter to force a fresh finish by confirming internet access. Reboot both the laptop and the router, waiting about 2 minutes for the router to fully restart so DHCP and DNS services reset. Make sure wireless drivers and operating system updates are installed, since outdated drivers often break connectivity. If problems continue, test another device on the same Wi-Fi. If that device also fails, the router or ISP is at fault. One key troubleshooting tip. If only this laptop fails, uninstall and reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter driver before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.